first 6th grade in India.
Encouraging them so wholeheartedly. The love for authors, the love for books is very heartwarming. A special mention for Pages for the kind of setup they've got, the kind of encouragement that they are providing to parents, and the specially curated, thoughtfully curated products and items that they've put up over here, and their attendants who are so willing to serve. So this is a must, the hub of the festival, and I invite everyone to come here and experience the magic of books.
I'm Ashok Rajagopalan, and I'm author and illustrator. I had great fun doing the sessions with the children in this Lit Fest, and I have to admit that this is the I haven't seen any Lit Fest organized as well as this.
About this literary festival.
So through our company, Sharada Metals International Limited, he has published in our circular. So
Okay. How do you feel about this festival?
yes, it's great actually.
Hello, I'm Deepa Agarwal. It's really exciting to be here at the Vizag Junior Lit Fest, and things are really buzzing at the bookstore set up by Pages Bookshop. It's such a wide collection of books, and I can see children are having a wonderful time picking up the books of their choice. And as an author, it's wonderful for me to see this, and I hope many children will discover.
And a special part about the festival is this exhibition, where it's again been arranged so nicely. The authors are getting their time in the sunshine.
Thank you so much. So I was just telling all the organizers what an absolutely amazingly arranged thing. So everything is to the T. We turn and they say, what do you want? And they give us. So everything is arranged so beautifully. I'm just taking a look at the books. All are my favorite author books. I think you guys have done a fabulous job of bringing all of us together. And the children and the Vizag audience, they are so receptive. So storyteller is nobody without an audience. So when we say something, we need energy back from the audience. I think you guys are wonderful. Thank you.
It's totally amazing. This is, to me, one of the best Lit Fests in the country. This is my second time. I was here in 2019, and it's so good to relive memories of 2019 again, meet everybody, the organizers and all the storytellers from the country and from abroad as well. Good stuff. So I'm yet to browse through properly, but it's good to see that there's focus on Indian authors. We don't really get a lot of shelf space elsewhere. So I'd like to thank Vijay.
For stories, and right now I'm at the Pages bookstore because I'm tempted to pick up my books. And so while I'm here, I think there's a fantastic collection, very widespread collection of books that you can indulge in for all age groups. I even spotted something for myself, like the Tree book here, which is something I indulge in. So lovely collection, something for all age groups, from the smallest to the tallest. Thank you.
I came to know through Pages. It was through Instagram, and then I just went and registered through Pages. Very nice, really nice. You have vast collection, and you just come and check out. The cute bookmarks and the magnets are really interesting for kids especially. And there's a great collection of books, Thank you so much. Thank you.
People who would step into a bookstore would have been lesser than today. That I can tell you, because of the relevance of the stories and the presence of the authors, and then they're able to find their books here, and there are book signings happening, which is wonderful. Connecting the dots.
Go to the earlier locations, and I'm delighted to be back. It just has exactly the same energy, even better. So happy to be here, and happy to be at Pages, which always stocks all the Indian authors' books so nicely.
ऐसा एक फेस्टिवल होना चाहिए था बच्चों के लिए, जहाँ पे बच्चों की कहानियाँ, बच्चों को साहित्य से जोड़ा जाए और बच्चे जुड़ रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। और इतने सारे अमेजिंग बुक्स हैं यहाँ पे स्टॉल्स में, आप देख सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे टुनटुनी कुछ लेखक आए हुए हैं, जो राइटर्स हैं, बहुत सारे राइटर्स आए हुए हैं, नाटक हो रहे हैं, हम लोग खुद नाटक लेके आए हुए हैं। इवन वी आर हिंदी थिएटर ग्रुप एंड मैनेज टू कम विद इंग्लिश प्रोडक्शंस, बिकॉज यहाँ की ऑडियंस जो है वो इंग्लिश है, दे अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश।
You know, I think it's been really exciting to have Pages as a bookstore partner here and to meet that entire family who runs this bookstore and has been for generations inspiring people in Vizag to read more. And it was just so lovely to see the display of our books, so lovingly displayed, and also the knowledge that every person on the team of Pages came with about the book. So more power to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Do you want to collaborate in future with any chance?
Yes, look forward to working with Pages and turning the page. Thank you.
Favorite authors. So what Vizag is doing and the team behind the Vizag Lit Fest is highly commendable, and of course the page is the bookstore that manages all of this. Without this setup, I don't think the festival would have been a success. So a huge clap for everyone who's associated.
Experience is really good. I'll definitely come next week.
Okay,
Who knows, maybe I can pick up the habit of reading also.
Yes, sir.
So yeah.
So
The books also, there are so many books. We have a world of books.
Yeah, we have many collections of Pages also. You have been to Pages?
yes, all the time he goes to Pages, gets his own beautiful collection of books. He loves to read.
It's a lovely environment over there. You can sit, have a cup of coffee, and
Yes.
with kids with the different collections, you'll have such a good environment.